are infinite.
Here is the N-type male connector being terminated. The outer jacket is stripped back 16 millimeters. Four millimeters of the center conductor is exposed. Slide the ferrule on. Dip the pin in solder paste and then insert it onto the center conductor of the cable. Solder the pin to the center conductor through the solder hole on the pin. Slide the body of the connector onto the cable. The pin has to be the same height as the end of the connector. Slide the ferrule on. Trim the excess braid. Crimp the ferrule.